Hitomi Broadcast has announced that TVN Live Production, one of Europe's leading mobile production companies, has purchased 3 MatchBox generator and analyzer systems, complete with MatchBox Glass licenses, for upgraded capability across its studio complexes in Hamburg and Hanover, as well as in its OB trucks. So that's a good cue to go over to Christoph Moll, Technical Manager at TVN Live Production in Germany, who, aside from the latest news, has been a user of Hitomi's lip sync and alignment products for live sports for quite a few years now.
The Glass app gives us a huge advantage and means that we can once again extend the reliability of synchronous video and audio transmission, even when we process signals from external service providers. Everyone on the team has an iPhone in hand and can access the app and test audio and video links from in front of the camera quickly and easily. And in the OB van, we can read the runtime with a Hitomi system and seamlessly make adjustment accordingly. That's pretty nice.
Thanks, Christoph. It's always good to hear direct from customers how the kit's being used.